Thank you for joining me again. Last time we spoke about the overview of the 7 enablers of business process management. The first enabler is process architecture. Why is the process architecture important? Well, it is going to give us an understanding of how we deliver value to our customers and other stakeholders. How is that delivered? Through our business processes. So it's very important to know, where are your business processes? What do they look like? How are they performing? Which we will talk about next time. So where are they? They live in a process architecture in a house. The key artifact in any organization should be their process architecture, where anybody can go and point at and find the business processes that are performing and delivering value to their clients. The other reason for it is that it allows you to prioritize what limited resources you have to do projects and process improvement. Very important. Where do we assign our resources? The other thing it can do for you is coordinate projects. In what timing can you do which projects, because you may be working on the same process at the same time. So you need to have some place where you know where the different projects are working within the same house or within the same architecture. And finally, and most importantly, it is a visual communication of where do your processes live. So we're looking at and need to see and tangibly understand, discuss with other people where our processes are. In delivering this and creating a process architecture, you must include as many people as you can within your organization. We do this so that they can adopt it, they can own it, they come up with it, and the way it looks really doesn't matter, as long as, I say, you have 3 key aspects to it. That is your management processes. So as long as you've got your management processes captured in some way, shape or form, then you're on the right track, because these management processes are what ensure you're delivering your core processes. So your core processes need to be key. These are your value chains from end to end that you're delivering to your clients. And then of course you've got your support processes, which need to support that to happen in an efficient and effective way through either people or IT or both. So once you've got those 3 key parts, you've got your process architecture. Put it in whatever form you want. Be creative. Depending on your industry, make sure that it aligns to your organization. In this one, you can see it's clearly for a hospital. It's simple, and I can go down and drill into each one of these and decompose them to see what the detailed process is down at the deeper levels in the organization. But at this level, I understand my end-to-end value chain. The example here, Roger put this together, one of my colleagues, for a hospital. And the hospital says its primary value chain is to care for patients. So they understand what are all the processes involved in caring for patients and how do they perform. So that's in essence what a process architecture does. We could go on for a long time discussing the details and how to build them out. Just remember, your process architecture is never finished. You can get it to 80%, but it's an iterative, dynamic document that you use, or artifact that you use all the time to make strategic decisions in your organization and to ensure that you are aligning to the strategic objectives of the organization. So remember that each week we will be releasing a different enabler. So join us next time to talk about process measurement. Thank you.